Are you stuck in a place and you want your hair to grow very fast, retain length, or to move from this to this in a short period of time? Then keep watching. I will walk you through it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chino. I'm excited to bring this episode of my favorite DIY to you. Yeah, a very favorite one. So as time goes on, I came across this somewhere. I think it should be in YouTube, and since then I've been using it and I've been loving it. It's got a lot of things that made this stand out for me, although what I've been using earlier I will share at some point in this channel. But for now, let me take you through how I make my favorite DIY pre-poo on a typical wash day. Now for pre-poo, people might want to know, how often do I use a pre-poo on my hair? The question is a very good one. Actually, I don't use protein treatment so much on my hair, because if you do, remember that whatever that is done in extreme, or you do so much, instead of bringing good things to you, or good effects to you, it tends to become detrimental. So this also includes pre-pooing. I don't pre-poo every wash day. I pre-poo when I feel my hair needs it. Okay, so the idea for pre-pooing is just trying to bring in some nutrients to your hair, like bringing in moisture, dense moisture back to your hair, helping to condition your hair further to help you achieve maximum or optimal results, right? So here is a pre-poo that I came up with flaxseed, with fenugreek and rosemary. So because flaxseed has this jelly consistency when it's boiled, it is perfect for what I have in my hair. If you look at the screen now, these are the benefits of flaxseed, benefit of fenugreek, benefit of the rosemary that I used for this DIY, right? So now you can see that the DIY is cool. Actually, before now, if I made this consistency not too thick, I could use this sieve, this strainer, to take to separate my DIY. But right now it's too thick. I don't really leave it on for it to be too thick. I'm sure that many people are showing how to get the flaxseed gel online. So yeah, I like adding extra things to mine to make it, to give it the more nutrients, right? That is why I introduced the rosemary, I introduced the fenugreek, and also the other one, right? So this is me extracting the juice. In this video I'm going to also show you how I do my application. Okay, I'll show you how I do my application. So why do I like this? Why is it necessary? I think anything that has sleep, anything that has that jelly consistency, has a very good does very good or very well with our hair as type 4, us we that have type 4 hair. Yeah. So I liked it really. The first time I used it, I was like, oh, okay, so I could get such thing, because of the jelly-like consistency. The hair was able to detangle freely. It was able to, elongate, add this elasticity back to the hair. So what I normally do on the day I want to do this process, first of all, is to apply water. So you can see me applying water using my spray bottle. It's a clear water. Sometimes if I want to add a little bit of twist to it, I'll just add a little glycerin, vegetable glycerin in it. Glycerin is another substance I like incorporating in my hair routine. So yeah, this is me trying to puff my hair, section it. I think I'm trying to section it now, and yeah, that is me sectioning it and getting ready to start applying my this thing. But for me to loosen my cuticles and to let water start penetrating and to let my product enter my hair, I like wetting my hair as much as I can. So now I will start applying using the applicator bottle. Some people will just go ahead and use it and do it straight from the cup or straight from anywhere. I prefer being in a bit of control when it comes to this. So you can see me applying it to my hair. Another point I want to make is it is very important to be very gentle with your hair. Our hair appear to be strong and sturdy, but the truth is that it is one of the easiest things to break. And when I mean break, yeah, it can break off, and it will break off and you'll be amazed what happened. How did my hair break so much? Yeah. So yeah, whenever you are stressed, I will always advise you, do not touch your hair. Something happens, I think a few weeks back. I was so stressed, I had something going on and it was emotionally draining me, but then I knew I wasn't supposed to touch my hair, and I was like, okay, what do I do? I've been carrying the hair for some time. I normally do my wash day every other week, like that is every 2 weeks, but because of the issue I had going on then, I wasn't able to wash my hair, and it was going to 1 month, and I knew it was due because the product buildup was now evident. I wasn't comfortable with the hair anymore, and I was like, oh, I need to just let me wash the hair. I'm going to be gentle. Brothers and sisters in the Lord, let me tell you the truth. The kind of breakage I had from that wash day was so mind-boggling. Okay, it was amazing. So I wouldn't advise you to touch your hair whenever you are stressed. So this particular pre-poo I had to come up for this wash day was because it was the previous wash day to this one, and at this time I think my hair was also very dirty. I didn't wash it for 3 weeks because I was quite busy and I couldn't find time to wash my hair, right? So that was why I said no, my hair needs some care. The last wash day I used the over-the-counter I used an over-the-counter mask on my hair. All right, it wasn't a DIY, it was an over-the-counter mask. I think it should be, I'm trying to remember which one I used for it. So I was thinking that was going to help me, but the truth is, man, it came out, it was mad. It was crazy, really. My hair felt so bad, and also yeah, I'm trying to get back my hair. So for this routine now, I'll use my head to detangle my hands, that's my phalanges, my fingers, to detangle the hair, and that is what I'm showing you here. I'm doing it as slow as I can. I think this is not, it's playing times 1.2 or so it's not really showing you how slow and easy I take when I am detangling my hair. I take my time. First of all, I start from the tip, which is the oldest part of my hair. I start to first of all make sure that there are no tangles there before working my way up to my hair. If you can see, I said that there are a lot of tangles there, so please be generous. I think I wasn't even generous with this. I think I was being fast to go pick up my baby before he wakes up. This is middle of the night actually, so I needed to be fast to pick up the baby. That is what we mothers go through when we are trying to be naturals, and yeah, we try to do what we can do. Okay, yeah, my hair has gone through a lot of changes. To be fair, I gave birth to my baby who most attacked my hair at the time. I was able to manage it because I had to leave my hair alone. One of the things you can do if you want to retain length as a type 4B is to leave your hair alone. You just leave it alone. Most of the time we still want to manipulate our hair so much and all. Please don't mind my my companion. We need to really leave our hair alone the much you can. Put it in a protective style and allow it to be. Your hair is going to grow, because when you don't want to manipulate your hair so much, you see that your hair has a lot of control and you will not lose so much hair. It won't break off. And another thing also you have to watch is when you are carrying your hair, remember to always, moisturize your hair as much as you can. If you need to hydrate, add that water back, then moisturize using a very good moisturizer. Yeah, so that is what it is. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share with your family members. I'm sure there are people that are looking forward to this kind of content. All right, so share with them, your loved ones, and I'm sure you will not regret it. So that is it. This is what I got from the hair after manipulating the hair this much, and I don't think it's so bad. Okay, so go ahead and watch this next video coming up. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.